Hello and welcome, my name is Bobby and you're watching Mindal and Design. In this video, I will show you how you can easily move around shapes or images with your text in InDesign. So for my example here, as you see I have this signature section, so I will just grab my text tool, and if I just enter here with my text and just start pressing enter, you'll see this whole section moves down with my text. And the same thing for my table here, all of this moves down fluidly with my text. So for this tutorial, I will show you how you can achieve this with the signature section. Okay, so to begin, let's just grab our rectangle tool and draw out our text box here. And then I will add a stroke of 0.25. And then I will just go ahead and drag this box down to each of these sections. And now I will just select this text box and go to Object, Interactive, and I will make this my text field because this is for my client name, so I'll just title this client name. And then if you want, you can adjust your font style and size here, but I'll just leave that as default for now. And then with my signature field, same thing, go up to Object, Interactive, and instead convert to Signature field. And then I'll leave that as is. And then finally, we'll make the date a text field by going to Object, Interactive, and Text field. And then I'll just name this date. Perfect. Okay. And now I want to add my line at the bottom of each of these boxes, just so if someone wants to print this out and sign it, they can easily do that on a piece of paper. So I will grab my line tool and just draw out a line at the bottom of this rectangle shape. And I will make this 1 point stroke, and then just do the exact same thing for all of these boxes. Perfect, and now let's just group these shapes. So my line and this text box, right click and group. Now to make it so these text boxes actually move with our text, what you want to do is to select your grouped object, and you'll see this light blue square here. What you want to do is to click and hold, and then drag to some text that you want this text box to be anchored to, and then let's just release it there, and then you'll see there's a little anchor icon here. So I'll just do the exact same thing for all of these text boxes. And there you go. So now if I click with my text tool and just start adding some spaces, you'll see that all of these text boxes move with my text. Perfect, and now just for a stylistic choice, I'm going to remove the stroke around all my rectangle shapes. So now let's go ahead and export this by going to File, Export, and then you want to make sure Save As Type is Adobe PDF Interactive, and then we can just save this. All of these default settings are fine, and just click Export. So now if we open up this document in Adobe Acrobat, you'll see that all of these form fields we can easily just type directly into. We can easily enter the date, and your customer or client can easily add their signature. And of course they can print this document out, and with these lines they can just write on a piece of paper. So yeah, that is how you can easily anchor your shapes or images to text in InDesign. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to continue making content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.